Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to find tag landlord list on PropStream. So to get started with a guide on how to find the tag landlord list on PropStream. So the first thing to do is to log to your PropStream, then from there sign into your account. So to log in, just go to propstream.com, then use your account details to log in. Then from there, enter your target area, the cities, your country, or the zip code in the search bar to pull up the properties data for that location. Then from there, click the filter button to open the filter option. Then from there, select this key filter to target the tag landlord, which is the owner type and your years of ownership. So from there, you can also enable this, which is the occupancy status and the property types, which is very optional. You can also add the quality filters to find those with high profit potential. Then click apply. Then click apply to generate your custom tag landlord list. Then from there, save or export this list. So you can select the properties you want, then click add to list to save them, then go to my properties to export the marketing or the skip tracing, and that's it.